Unite is a long-term transformational process towards a new form of European university education. And we can see that Unite is constantly growing in the number of courses, programs, and support activities.
This year is an amazing opportunity to learn and connect with the students from across Europe.
Working in international scientific environment allows us to address current technological challenges, using innovation, training experts to lead the digital and green transition.
We work together at Unite, sharing knowledge and using new learning methods.
To imagine, create and collaborate on projects that truly make a difference.
We face common challenges and find collaborative solutions that make a real impact.
It's exciting to be a part of a community where our ideas can shape the future of Europe.
Being part of Unite empowers us to develop valuable skills and excel in a global environment, while collaborating with talented colleagues from across Europe.
The Alliance gives us a broader perspective, allows us to share best practices and improve processes in our university.
At Unite, we connect and exchange knowledge in innovative ways, empowering our community to advance projects through research, tech, and engineering.
Unite connects you with like-minded people, all driven to create a better future.
Unite offers a unique opportunity to collaborate, learn, and contribute to the future of Europe's research and education. I encourage everyone to join its activities and projects.
So each academic year is a new opportunity to guide and inspire a new generation of European students.
On behalf of all Unite universities, I wish you a very pleasant, successful start in the new winter term 2024-2025. We hope that you have fun with exploring the wealth, the richness of our university lines. Good luck!
See you.